Just imagine for a moment, here you have a bowl of biryani and a glass of water. A glass of water. Biryani price, let's take more than $10, and water price, let's take less than $1. Just imagine for a moment, now you are thirsty. You need some water. In order to resolve the thirsty, which one you would prefer? You will go with huge amount or less amount? Whether you will go with biryani or you will go with water? Most of the people, they have money mindset. They'll be focusing towards money. Whatever they have, they'll be picking up the huge price. But it depends on which resource you are taking. It depends on what is the need of you. It depends on you whether you need to take that water or not. It purely depends on how you are portraying or how you are looking, how you are consuming. What's the use of the resources which you have? Most of us, we will not use our resources in a proper way. In a proper way. The main reason would be we don't know how to use that resources, or we don't have enough money to buy that resources. If you don't have money to buy that resources, that's secondary. We are not talking about that. But you have resources without paying a penny, but you are underutilizing that. It's your responsibility to utilize that in a proper way. I'm just taking the example of water. I'm just taking an example of biryani. If you're thirsty, you will go with high price of biryani or less price of water. It's your action. It's your life. You need to choose whether you want biryani or water. Take a right decision in order to build a right career, in order to walk confidently, in order to choose your path confidently, in order to reach your goal.